It's a wee golf, wee PD golf long time ago. Had one of these. I've basically had all the golfs, to be honest. So, I even had a couple of polos. Had a STI Classic Saloon. Battleship Grey was my wife's, but I stole it because, well, I get lots of points. So I could get insured on. So we're looking at this wee golf. We did a boost hose on it on Monday. Not the boost hose, but the clamp, and it's going to want those front tails changed like immediately. Nobody's advised them, and that one, that's rotten too. So they're rotten. That one's all kinds of rotten. I'm going to touch that. But I'm going to do some of this. God knows what I can do with it, but I need to make something to fashion it back together. See if I can just make a new one. I might just see if I can make one out of sheet metal, because I can't get one in there. And that's all it's holding that. It's just that one strap, which isn't good enough. So, oh, aye, and there's a what the hell is that? Well, Kev China wouldn't be pleased with that repair. You normally use that thing. You know, chop, straight to pipe. See, that's blonde there, and the turbo, I can hear the turbo whistling away on it. So I would not be boosting this too much, and then I just repaired. See, I left one clamp there, right, because it's like the pipe shrunk a bit. See the coupling, it's like that shrunk a bit, and well, it's getting parts for these things now in the this age. So the tyres, but jeez. Even Lewis Hamilton be pitting for them, tell you. It's got nice new arms on it, but looks like half decent. I'm not sure about the pads. Springs look quite new. So it's probably going to want a turbo, but at some point, so it's definitely going to want all that flexi and all that change. So that down pipe elbow, the flexi, and something's happened to it. It's probably been chopped out. Maybe somebody's chopped that too. I don't know. I'll just change it altogether now. God knows. But we'll need to try and see what we can do with this. Yeah, we can try and see if we can fashion something. Definitely, but all the front to all the boot pipes probably going to want done in this car. Right, we'll see what we can do with this. Right, guys, can see what we're doing. What's it got? A very rotten fuel tank strap, which we can't get. So I've already chopped the end off of that side, and you can see this is exact. This is what they do at NASA. They do that when they get cardboard out. They probably use an Apex box as well. So that's obviously not really supporting nothing. Even NASA wouldn't use that. You probably better be. It's more for me to clean up. So see what I've fashioned. That fabrication. You can see the classic. Sorry, distraction. Sealy Super Mig with a nice argon shield mix. Wee bit of poly Upol body filler there and all. Just for a wee repair job we did. So you can see I've already shaped it, and where the metal was nice and hot after using many machetes. So we measured, chopped, measured twice, chopped once. 2 machetes, one with a flap disc, pressed all the metal up. See where it was nice and hot as well? You used that for shaping. So now we've got it perfect. Cut the tab off. So now what we'll do is we'll weld this side up, and we'll size it up, see if it looks good. If we need to, we've made it too long. No, better too long than too short in it. So made it too long. We can trim it down, and we'll cut the other tab off. I mean, I could drill a hole in that, but yeah, it's shaped, and it is a. Well, I'm going to make my decision when I start flap disking it actually. So if there is any steel, we might just reuse that, just the tab that bit was okay, so we'll get a bash, see what happens. Right, time for some fusion. Some metal fusion. Who's making it? We always need to be grounded. See my welding table, it's quality stuff. Sure that happens in all the professional welding tables. Hey, cut it like that way. It'll do. Yeah. That's better than the weld into that. The bad news. Well, just trying to beat the hole in front just to be safe. So, that's not too bad. Anyway, see my welds. I'm not a welder. I'm not a fabricator. You can see the welds penetrated through it. So we get a wee wire brush, got a paint, flash it up. So this, oh no, we thought we will, but I suppose that's really clean. There you go. We'll fashion that up, see how it looks on the motor. Let's see. Aye, so this bit will need to go up first. That'll go up here, like so. I'm not going to bolt it in perfect in it, but and then can see I need to go to. You can see I'll put some rubber to protect the tank. I'll find some rubber just to protect it. I'll end that cutting through it, that's for sure. So we'll see if we can see what we need to trim. Nice. Well, I'll assess this a little bit of metal first actually. If not, we'll just drill a hole in that. So that's what we'll do. Well, if the knife, it'll get it. Oh, maybe. That metal. So I'll do that. I'll do. That just shows you the difference in what you're working with. So, well, we know I've penetrated through it, so let's get a wee wire brush and get a wee paint. Got a bit of zinc on it. So, see what happens. It's you need good metal for welding, otherwise you just end up with crap. You know, so you just end up with crap. So if you look at that side, nice clean weld. Metal's decent. Metal up there's not so good, so that'll be all distorted now, but I'll paint it in shape. Right, I'll need to do it. I will give it a little paint. So I've put rubber in, and I will go over the bits at the edges that I've not got tape, just to make sure there's nothing touching metal. Alright, I'll do it for now. Right, so there you go, a new fuel tank strap. Not taped up, there's rubber under it. So even if the other one goes, it shouldn't go anywhere. So, and there's a bolt there, I know. So there's one on that side, but there's nothing on this side on the strap. So, it should be okay. Should be okay.